This video will show you how to work with student accounts at your whole school. You'll be able to find and edit any student's account information and download a list of students or login cards for every student at your school. First, click the admin link and then click Students. When you click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, you'll see options to download a list of student logins for your entire school or print them all out to distribute to students. If you would like to locate a student at your school, type their name in the search box and then click the magnifying glass. You can click the pencil icon to edit any of their information, and you can also move them into different classes from this location. Click Change Add Class to see a list of all the classes at your school, then check the boxes to mark the class you'd like the student to appear in. When you're satisfied with your changes, click the check mark in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see that the new classes are now listed for this student. Click Save to save your changes. Please contact us at support@mangahigh.com if we can help you work with student accounts at the school level.